That's the only downside about it. And I can't get this off because my stupid gloves my mother made me wear. Ugh. Oh, come on, damn it. I just spilled a ton of pellets on here. These are $14 pellets. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Set those over here. Ugh. The only thing I hate about break barrels is they're like that, which means you have to do this, flip up, no snows on it, and aim again. Got cut on my coat. Oh my god, I keep on pushing. It's so inconvenient. What's wrong with my scope? My scope's off now. There we go, I fixed it. Aiming for the top right one. And I smell smoke, so I'm guessing this started smoking. Ah! Poop. Oh yeah, I also have another one of these. It's a minier version, but I don't know what you consider it. I consider it a pistol, but I guess you can consider it like a rifle, or... Yeah. I really like the silencer, though. So I'm gonna take another shot, and we're gonna go check it. Oh my god, I keep on doing this. I missed left on that, but let's go check it out. Set the gun down. Yeah, so that's where the target is over there. And that's my first time ever using a scope. And so, yeah. Yeah, it flooded here yesterday. And so, yeah, it was a little hard because I didn't have any long-range guns. Okay. Let's see where... That one's new for sure. I must have been trying to hit that one. And I was trying to hit this one. And here. I was trying to hit this one and I hit here. So you have to aim higher. Wait. Can you see? Yeah. You have to aim higher when you... And then it goes lower. So, I mean... It's kind of accurate, but... I don't know if you could see that. I was really looking away from the camera, so sorry about that. And so let's go take a few more rounds and let's flip the box. This, so you can for sure tell where it hit. Wait, yeah, this side. So I'm gonna be aiming for here for all 3 rounds. Then we're gonna switch my gun. Sounds good? Sounds good. Let me walk back over here. I'm actually surprised I'm not as cold as I thought I was gonna be. I was out this morning for like 5 minutes and I was freezing. Yeah, my videos are gonna be lengthy because I'm gonna start recording them when I'm walking here, which is pretty much a 15-minute walk. And we're at 15 minutes right now. So, yeah. And I just put my gun in the snow. Ah! Set you guys back here. Oh, damn it. Oh. This. Okay. It's loaded, and I'm gonna take fire. I just turned on the safety, god damn it. Are you kidding? My target just fell over. I'm still gonna try to shoot it from here. I hit it. That's all I know. See you. The gun barrel was smoking, but it smells smoking for sure. Smoky, not smoking. Ugh, oh my god, I'm just gonna carry the gun with me. Yeah, it's 6 pounds. That's not really lightweight. It's really long. Well, it's adult size. Well, I almost just slipped and fell. Yeah, so I'm gonna call this BB Gun Ranch. Because, oh yeah, I also brought matches. Yeah, I almost set the house on fire a few times. Don't tell my mother. Yeah, so that's the target. See where I hit. Okay, I already see the wound from here. So I hit it right there. I hit it right there. It was outside, and I don't know where the exit wound is. It's somewhere in this box. So I'm gonna go head back to where I shoot from, which is again kind of far, but kind of not far. But yeah, this gun can shoot pretty far. I need to get a bipod for that, though. Yeah, so get your friends to like this video and subscribe and watch all my videos, because with your guys' help, I can get the gun that's on my profile picture. It's about $700 for the gold AK-47. Sadly, it's airsoft, which I do have a few airsoft guns, but I like BB guns and pellet guns better. This is a pellet gun. It's .177 caliber. Can shoot mostly pellets, but I use the gold ones you can see right there. And yeah, so I'm gonna shoot maybe. Are you kidding me? God damn thing fell over again. I have to get more weights, so I'm gonna set this on here and gotta go find some big rocks. Oh, there's a ton here. Good weight. I found one. That should be enough. I don't know though. But yeah, so I gotta walk over there. So annoying. Yeah, I was gonna make videos where like I go to Walmart and get kicked out of Walmart, but I go to Walmart too much, and that's where I get some of my BB guns. And getting kicked out of Walmart is like, I've already done it once. Went out the intercom and played Hell's Carol by Hobson, and it used to be my favorite song, but now it's not. And yeah, so we're at the Target. Ooh, I found a pop can. I'm gonna put it on top of, I'm gonna either put it, I don't know where I should put it. I gotta shoot it though. I've already shot it a few times though. I thought it blew away, but I normally don't litter, so don't take that against me. I'm just gonna put it here, right there, and I'm gonna kill it. I'm gonna walk back over there. Yeah, there's also a tire I found in the woods. And so, that's the tire that I shot. Not BB, bro. Or pellet proof. Yeah, so I'm gonna take 2 more shots with this rifle. I'm gonna switch to my other long range gun, which is about 400 and something. I don't feel like doing the math right now. I'm on winter break. And yeah, so I only go 625 FPS feet per second. And yeah, so I just covered the camera because I'm stupid, and the video's at 20 minutes and 42 seconds, which is kind of long. So I'm gonna shoot it 2 more times, and I'm gonna shoot it once with the other gun. I can't remember if I loaded it, so I'm just gonna check real quick. Ah! Fell over. Yeah. Hi. Oh yeah. Also, don't forget, subscribe to my friend. His YouTube channel is Piddlepen. He posts pretty dope videos, like taking out the trash and gaming videos and stuff like that. He's got 301 subscribers. I was the 300th and the 298th one, and I'm gonna just shoot this can before it blows over. So stay tuned for like 2 seconds. Loaded. Bullseye. Almost just pulled the safety gun. Oh my gosh. I'm not going to get it until I hit it. I just barely gazed it. That makes me so... Oh god, that grass looks gigantic. Yeah. So, I moved the camera so that you get it over. I just saw a few birds. I'm going to try to kill them. Yeah, I'm kind of missed, but I'm an animal lover, and I've shot a bird one time with the gun I'm about to show you guys. Loaded. You get an overview this time. I just turned on the safety, god damn it. I was short that time. This is my last shot with this gun. And let's go to the review part. I like it because it's got the scope and everything. It's the only downside is it's bulky, it's single shot, and it weighs quite a ton, and it moves a lot when you're trying to shoot. I don't know if that's just me or anything. The good side is it comes with a silencer, and I knew the word that meant silencer, but I forgot it. Probably because that means I'm stupid. And before the cam blows over, I'm just gonna shoot it. Pull the safety gun. And I missed. So forget this gun, and let's set it off to the side. Show you. Ugh. Damn it. I don't know really where to put this, so I'm just gonna hold it. So here's the MK45. Goes 480 feet per second, which is pretty good for this size pistol. And I'm just gonna take a few shots, see what I can do. And I forgot this doesn't have a scope, but I'm used to using a scope now. Yeah, this kind of doesn't make it all the way to the target, but I may have a gun that can. Oh yeah, my red river is covered in snow. Ow! Poop. I'm just gonna take one shot with it. Never mind, that's for a video later, so watch the other video. And yeah, I don't know if there's any BBs left in here. There is, so I'm just gonna finish shoot these 4 BBs and end this video and start my next. Okay. Bye. See you next video. I'm not ending.